Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. Here's everything you need to do for tomorrow's update in Heartopia. So you are going to want to harvest a lot of fruits, especially apples, blueberries, oranges, and raspberries, because you do need quite a lot of those for tomorrow. So there will be two desserts requiring at least, I think two or maybe just one. I'm actually not sure. But basically, I would just harvest around 100 per fruit. If you are like trying to get 5 stars for each of the dish, there will be like the fruit tart and then like shaved ice, which requires both fruits. So one fruit is for like two dishes. So you're going to want to make sure you harvest a lot of that. Then you're going to want to harvest a lot of mushrooms as well. I wasn't very correct on the last update I did, but basically you do have to harvest oyster mushrooms and button mushrooms and the penny bun ones. So all of the mushrooms you need to harvest for tomorrow's update. And obviously, you'll need to harvest the truffles as well. Make sure you've grown strawberries, pineapple, and grapes. I've done that too. And you are set for tomorrow's update. Obviously, I will do more videos as the update comes with the recipes and the new like fishes, birds, insects, and etc. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!